Did you know that Amazon's AI technology can predict what products you'll want to buy before you even search for them? It's all part of Jeff Bezos' game-changing approach to business. Jeff Bezos is a pioneer in business innovation, and his integration of artificial intelligence into his ventures has revolutionized the way we think about business. From Amazon's early days as an online bookstore to its current status as a global e-commerce giant, Bezos has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Today, AI is at the heart of Amazon's operations, driving growth, improving efficiency, and enhancing customer experience. As we explore Bezos' approach to AI and innovation, it's clear that he's not just a business leader, but a visionary who's rewriting the rules of commerce. By embracing AI and machine learning, Bezos has created a culture of innovation that's enabled Amazon to stay ahead of the curve. His commitment to using technology to solve real-world problems has inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs and business leaders. Bezos' willingness to invest in AI research and development has given Amazon a significant competitive edge. By leveraging the power of AI, he's been able to drive down costs, improve customer satisfaction, and expand into new markets. Whether it's Alexa, drone delivery, or personalized marketing, AI is the thread that runs through Amazon's success story. As we delve deeper into Bezos' use of AI, it's clear that his approach is built on a deep understanding of the technology and its potential to transform business operations. By identifying areas where AI can add value, Bezos has created a highly efficient and adaptable organization that's capable of responding to changing market conditions. Businesses often struggle to adopt new technologies like AI due to a lack of understanding, inadequate infrastructure, and fear of disruption. Many companies fail to realize the full potential of AI because they don't have the right skills, resources, or mindset to implement it effectively. This can lead to a digital divide, where only a few companies are able to harness the power of AI, while others are left behind. The challenges of adopting AI are numerous, and businesses need to be aware of these obstacles in order to overcome them. One of the biggest hurdles is the shortage of AI talent, which can make it difficult to find the right people to implement and maintain AI systems. Another challenge is the need for high-quality, relevant data, which is essential for training AI models. Many businesses are also daunted by the cost of implementing AI, which can be significant. Furthermore, the need for cultural change within an organization can be a major obstacle, as AI requires a different way of thinking and working. Additionally, the fear of job losses due to automation can create resistance to the adoption of AI. Despite these challenges, the benefits of AI far outweigh the costs. By automating routine tasks, AI can free up staff to focus on more strategic and creative work. It can also improve customer experience, increase efficiency, and drive innovation. However, businesses need to be aware of the potential risks and downsides of AI, such as bias in decision-making and job displacement. Bezos' approach to AI is built on a deep understanding of these challenges and opportunities. By investing heavily in AI research and development, he's been able to create a highly advanced AI ecosystem that's capable of driving business growth and improving customer experience. From logistics to customer service, AI is at the heart of Amazon's operations. One of the key areas where Amazon has leveraged AI is in logistics and supply chain management. By using machine learning algorithms, Amazon is able to optimize its delivery routes, reduce shipping times, and improve supply chain efficiency. This has enabled the company to offer faster and more reliable delivery options to its customers, which has been a major competitive advantage. AI has also revolutionized Amazon's customer service operations. By using chatbots and virtual assistants, the company is able to provide 24/7 customer support and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. This has improved customer satisfaction and reduced the workload of human customer support agents. Personalized marketing is another area where Amazon has used AI to great effect. By analyzing customer data and behavior, the company is able to offer personalized product recommendations and targeted advertising. This has increased sales and improved customer engagement, as customers are more likely to buy products that are relevant to their needs and interests. Amazon's use of AI in product development has also been highly successful. By using machine learning algorithms to analyze customer feedback and data, the company is able to identify areas for improvement and create new products that meet customer needs. This has led to the development of innovative products like Alexa and Echo, which have disrupted the smart home market. Bezos' approach to innovation is built on a willingness to take risks and experiment with new technologies. By embracing AI and machine learning, he's created a culture of innovation that's enabled Amazon to stay ahead of the curve. This approach has also inspired other companies to invest in AI and innovation, which has driven growth and job creation. The pivotal moment when Bezos' AI strategies began to revolutionize Amazon and redefine the retail industry was when the company launched its Alexa virtual assistant. This marked a significant shift in the company's approach to AI, as it moved from using AI to improve internal operations to using AI to create new products and services that could be sold to customers. The launch of Alexa was a game changer for Amazon, as it enabled the company to enter the smart home market and create a new ecosystem of devices and services. This has driven significant growth and revenue for the company, as well as increased its competitive advantage. Bezos' approach to AI has also redefined the retail industry, as other companies have been forced to respond to Amazon's innovations. This has led to a wave of innovation and investment in AI, as companies seek to stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. In conclusion, Jeff Bezos' approach to AI and innovation has transformed business practices and set new standards for innovation and growth. By embracing AI and machine learning, he's created a highly efficient and adaptable organization that's capable of responding to changing market conditions. Bezos' willingness to take risks and invest in AI research and development has driven growth and innovation, and has inspired other companies to follow suit. His approach to AI has also raised the bar for customer experience, as companies are now expected to offer highly personalized and efficient services. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to play a major role in business and commerce. By embracing AI and innovation, companies can stay ahead of the curve and drive growth and revenue. Bezos' approach to AI is a powerful reminder of the importance of innovation and risk-taking in business. What do you think about AI in business? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on innovation and technology.